Hello friends, welcome to Learn Easy. In this session we'll do some sums where statements will be converted into equations and then equations will be solved. The first sum is two water pipes together can fill a tank in 9 hole 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each pipe can separately fill the tank. Let larger dia pipe separately can fill the tank in X hours and smaller dia pipe separately can fill the tank in Y hours. Two water pipes can fill the tank in 9 hole 3 by 8 hours. Two water pipe together can fill the tank in 9 hole 38 hours is equal to 75 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank. So, larger diameter takes X hours, 10 hours less. So, Y minus X. So, we can write X is equal to Y minus 11. Or Y is equal to X plus 11. This is equation number 1. In 1 hour, both the pipes together fill 1 by X plus 1 by Y part. Therefore, in 75 by 8 hours, both the pipes together fill 1 by X plus 1 by Y into 75 by 8 part. But this is the whole part, whole tank. So therefore we can write 75 by 8 to 1 by X plus 1 by Y here the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less. So this is Y minus 10. This is one whole part. equation number 2. (75) xy x plus y is equal to 8. (75) y is equal to x plus 10. x plus 10 divided by xy is equal to 8. Here also we can put y is equal to x plus 10. x plus 10 or 75 into 2x plus 10 is equal to 8x into, this is x plus 10, x plus 10 or 150x plus 750 is equal to 8x square plus 80x. If you rearrange this, 8x square plus 80x minus 150x minus 750 is equal to 0, or 8x square minus 70x minus 750 is equal to 0. We can divide both sides by 2. It will give 4x square minus 35x minus 375 is equal to 0. Now 375 factorize 3.5. Also this 4. This is 60, 25. 4x square minus 60x plus 25x minus 375 is equal to 0. 4x x minus 15 plus 25 x minus 15 is equal to 0, or x minus 15 into 4x plus 25 is equal to 0. From here we get x is equal to 15 hours. 15 hours, this is answer. Also, and x is equal to minus 25 by 4, but negative value is not possible. So x is equal to 15 hours. Then y is equal to, from equation 1, y is equal to x plus 10. Therefore, y is equal to x plus 10 is equal to 15 plus 10 is equal to 25 hours. This is another answer. So the larger pipe separately can fill the tank in 15 hours and the smaller pipe can separately fill the tank in 25 hours. Means the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters, more than the shorter side. Find the sides of the field if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. Let us draw the field. This is diagonal. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters, more than the shorter side. This is shorter side. Let shorter side be x meter. Then diagonal will be x plus 60 meters. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, that is longer side is x plus 30 meters. If we name this, then triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square, x plus 60 whole square is equal to x plus 30 whole square plus x square, or x square plus 120x plus 3600 is equal to x square plus 60x plus 900 plus x square. You can cancel x square from both sides. Then x square plus 60x plus 900 minus 120x minus 3600 is equal to 0, or x square 60x minus 120x minus 60x plus 900 minus 3600 minus 2700 is equal to 0. Or 2700 factorize 10, 27. Then 60. Ninety 30, x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 90 plus 30 common, x minus 90 is equal to 0. X minus 90 into x plus 30 is equal to 0. X is equal to 90 meters. This is the answer. Also, x is equal to minus 30. Negative value is not possible. So we have to find the side of the field, sides of the field. If the longer side, so one side, smaller side is x, 90 meter. So larger side is x plus 30 is equal to 90 plus 30 is equal to 120 meter. This is the two sides, 90 meter, 120 meter. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Let the speed of the train be x km per hour. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, then the speed is equal to x plus 5 km per hour. Distance is 360 km. Distance is equal to 360 km. Then in this speed, it would have taken 1 hour less. So time distance divided by speed. Speed is x km per hour. Time is equal to 360 divided by x hour. When speed is x plus 5 km per hour, time is equal to 360 divided by x plus 5 hours. Now here it is. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less. (360) divided by x plus 5 is equal to 360 divided by x minus 1. Now if we solve this equation, 360 divided by x plus 5 is equal to 360 minus x divided by x, or 360 x is equal to x plus 5 into 360 minus x. This will give 360x is equal to 360x plus 1800 minus x square minus 5x, or x square plus this 360x cancel from both sides. S square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Now factorize 1800. Nine, 2, 5, 20. Here 9 5 45 and 2 into 20 40. Therefore x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0, or x into x plus 45 minus 40 into x plus 45 is equal to 0. X plus 45 into x minus 40 is equal to 0. From here x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Also, x is equal to minus 45. Solving this equation we will get, but negative value is not possible. So therefore x is equal to 40 km per hour. Therefore the speed of the train will be 40 km per hour. This is the answer. Thank you.